Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to submit a website in Google Search Console. Basically, Google Search Console, if you went here, Google Search Console, this is Google Search Console. So basically this is it. So how you can actually add your website to it, that's pretty simple. First of all, you will need a domain name. So I will just go to my domain name, which is gonna be like domain. So I'm going to put here www dot the I will just copy it from my hosting real quick. So here it is. I will go here, log in, and I will just copy it from here. So I don't make any mistakes. Here we go. Copy this and let's put it over here. Continue, validation check in progress. And here we go. So now validate domain ownership via DNS record. You can select recording type. You can just put as text or CNAME. So you can use both of these. So the CNAME will be like that. Let me just change this. So hot CNAME. So this is it. Um, I can copy this. Then I will go to my domain name. I will go over here, CNAME, and etc. So I'll go to DNS name servers, and from here I will go and delete all of these. So I have to delete all of these things. Delete, 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 and keep deleting everything over here. So here we go. Delete everything that you have in your website, and they might be infinite, as you can see here. All right, they have been all deleted, which is pretty good. Now, what I'm going to do is actually simple. Go here, we need a CNAME. So let's make a CNAME. Here we go. So the name must be this. I think this one. And the targets shall be this. So here it is. And click add record. Now, as you can see, it has been done. So press validate to validate. And let's wait a little bit. And the property has been validated. So access the property and here it is. So basically now I have actually launched my website into Google Search Console. Now I will have everything that has related relation with my website, performance, indexing, pages, map, dictation, even like here we can see the graphs and so go on guys. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you can add your website to the Search Console. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.